What's going on, Skid? We've got a no hot water call and the breaker is tripped, so we are going to leave it off, get the meter out, see what's up. Yeah, with the old breaker tripping immediately, got a feeling it's going to be an element. We'll have to drain it, take the old one out, put the new one in. Everything looks good with the wiring, nothing burnt. So we'll test the elements, set your meter to continuity, and if it beeps, it's good. So that bottom one's good. If it beeps, it's good. If it doesn't beep, it's not good. Oh. So the elements are good. Yeah, very interesting. So we will check the power coming into the top here. Bunch of doggone sand up in here. Something looks a little roasted right there. Might have a burnt wire. Alright, I'm gonna need to get some of this, whatever this is, out of this screw here. Jeez, as I thought that looked a little roasted in there. Holy cow. I have to pull all this out and see what's up. I'm gonna need two hands. It's all wadded up in here tight. There it is, man. It looks like somebody might have stripped it back too far and then it arced inside on the metal. I don't know, man. So I'm going to cut it and then rewire nut it. I just don't want all this exposed in there. Wow. Fried the wire nut. Alright, I just stripped all the gunk off of there and rewire nutted it back to some good wire. Did the other side as well. The other side doesn't look bad. Roasted. Alright, we'll turn the breaker back on, see what happens. Alright, it reset. I heard it come on. You hear that hissing? That's the elements. We had a wicked storm roll through yesterday, so maybe it was a lightning strike, power surge, who knows. Sounds like we're good to go now. I'll turn the breaker back off and button it up. Well guys, I thought I was going to have a new element, an element change out video. I don't have one of those yet. But it wasn't. It was just roasted on top. The elements were good when I did the continuity test. So yeah, new guys, if it doesn't beep, you got a bad element, you're going to need to change it out. And they just twist out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, just like a screw. Just turn it to the left and get it out. You're going to have to drain it though. Turn the power off, shut the water off, and drain it. I was excited. I brought the pump over to pump the water out and everything, and I'll be dogged if that wasn't the issue at all. But bad elements will cause the breaker to trip like that as well. Yeah, this is the kit I use. Those are the new elements. new T-stats, and this is what turns it out. Put it over that right there and twist it out. There's Hyatt. He rolls with me. I'm turning him into the dirtiest maintenance man in the land. Alright, I got it all buttoned up. Elements are on, it's heating. Alright, easy fix. Thank you all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.